Saying Chase's least favorite words. Yeah, I haven't even started. Are you serious?
What?
Chase. Come on. Ella's asleep. Come on. I mean, you can't wake her up. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna tell Millie what you did. I'm gonna tell her how you cheated on her with the neighbor's cat.
What are you doing with my cat?
She's my helper for today.
Chase, get out of there. Get out. No, it's my turn to sleep with Chase. Come on, Chase. Come on.